Service warning reset on a Mercedes. This is an ML, and I'm going to show you in this video how to reset that. So the first thing we're going to do, we have the key off. We're going to flick it to the first mode, the accessory mode, and then we're going to press R 3 times. Then just over here, we press down once when we get that voltage screen, and it throws up the service menu. And then we use the plus and minus on this side to scroll down. So I'm scrolling down to confirmation. We're going to use this side as a steering wheel to press enter. And then you pick whichever service that you have done. So whatever service that you have done, whether it's A, B, C, full service, etc., you confirm on that once you have carried out the service. And service is confirmed. I'll flick off the key, turn it back on. And as you can see, the service warning is now reset. I hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you found it useful and informative. If you did, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I hope to see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.